Hello, today I will show you how to optimize performance for React Formik. I've made a small React Formik form where can add multiple fields as an array. I will add 100 array entries, or 100 vehicles. Then I will demonstrate that when entering text in the input field there is a delay and this is bad. I added 100 records. Now you will be able to see that there is a delay when entering text. I have a solution to improve performance. By default, Formik configuration has validation on data input turned on. Data validation for changes needs to be turned off and called in another place. I will call this validation on the onChange event of the form. After changes in the code, I will demonstrate that React Formik performance has improved and there is no longer a delay when entering text in the input field. The test scenario will be the same as before. 100 entries will be created in the array. As you can see, there is no longer a delay on text input, and validation works on text input. All that has changed is the place to call input field validation on text input.